Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign your Android application APK, zip align that APK and publish it in Android App Store through your Google account. For publishing your Android application in the Google account, you have to follow three basic steps. First of all, you have to sign that APK. You have to zip align that APK through zip align tool. Here is a direct link to download that zip align tool. You can download that zip align tool directly from there. If these two steps are complete, your app is now ready to be published to your Google account. So starting with the first step of signing that APK, create a new folder anywhere in your My Computer. Name it as Key Store or anything you want. Now open Eclipse. Choose any application you want to generate the signed APK for. But before generating the signed APK, keep something in mind. Your application package shouldn't start with com.example or something like that. It could be anything but not com.example. This is the version code. It is 1 right now and the version name is 1.0. If you want to publish the next version of your APK, then you have to make it as 2 and 2.0. So coming back on signing the APK, just right click on the project. You have an option of Android tools, and there you have an option of export signed application package. You have two options here: export unsigned application package and export signed application package. Just click on export signed application package. It will automatically take the name of the project you want to create the signed APK for. Click on next. Here you have two options for using the existing key store and create a new key store. I'm going to show you how to create a new key store. Just click on the create new key store. Browse to that folder we just created right now. That folder will help us in organizing our things. We just want to keep everything related to the APK, zip-align tool, key store in one place. So we created that folder. Just give a name like key store. You can give any name, but for convenience I am using key store. Save it. Choose any password. Click on next. We have a list of forms here. You have to choose the alias, password, confirm, first name and last name for generating your signed APK. Just choose any password. Choose the validity of your signed APK. I'll recommend don't choose less than 25 years. Give your first name and last name. Organization. And your country code. After filling all these things, click on next. Now browse that folder. This folder will contain the signed APK. We just created that folder. This is the location of putting that APK, signed APK. Click on finish. Now your signed APK has just been created. Just check. See, you have a key store generated here. You have your signed APK here. Just keep in mind that if you are updating the next version of your APK of your application, So you have to use the same key store. You can't use a different key store. The Google App Store will not accept if you publish the next version of your APK through a different key store. So we have our signed APK and our key store. Now the next step is to zip align that signed APK. So we'll download the zip align tool first. Our download is complete. Put that zipalign.zip APK in the same folder. Extract here. We'll have a zipalign application. Just double click on it, run it, and select the signed APK which we just created right now through Eclipse. Just press no. You can see we have a zipalign.bat file which is just created right now. Just double click on it, run the batch file, and press any button. It will create a zipalign signed APK. Now you have completed the second step also. This APK is now zipalign and signed. Now the next step is to publish it through developer account. Open your developer account. On the left upper corner, you have an option for all application. Just click on it and you'll get an option for add new application. Just choose any title for your app. You can choose the language also. By default it's English United States. Now click on the button of upload APK. You will get an option to upload your first APK to production. Browse your APK, that APK which we just signed and zip aligned it. You can see that your APK is now uploaded. You can check the version also, that version name, version code and version name. You can see the version code, version name, their size, your API label, your permissions and all, everything is there. Now the next thing is to fill all the store listings, your descriptions of the app, where your promo text, your changes which you're gonna put in your next version. After doing all these things, putting all the screenshots for 7-inch tablet, for your phone, everything, your app will be ready to publish. You will get an option here to publish. Right now it's not showing because I haven't done all these things, but if you complete all these steps, you will get an option to publish right here in the right upper corner. Just click on that and your app will be published in few hours. Normally it will take 4 to 5 hours. So all the 3 steps are completed now, and you learned about how to sign the APK, how to zip align that APK, and how to publish it to your developer account. Thank you.